Okay, so this is the speed run through how to get this done by importing a list into Microsoft To Do from Excel. So what we have is we had the original list, everything through there. We basically separate the individual subject into its own list, again, which we have basically put through here. So we've got the professional conduct here. I have got the date on the side, organized that. I have got my hashtag of the reading. I've added a hashtag for the article type. I've put a space in there to separate these different hashtags. Then I've concatenated them together here to create the subject. And then I have further notes that are about basically the chapters and everything from there. Because I believe that will be information that I can look at further on. I don't need to go into it. I just want to basically see exactly what the textbook is and when it needs to get done. So that's all I want. I just need to make sure it goes into the correct format, which means that I need to open up a template. I can either open up one that I've done before, which I'll do just now. So this is the export. This is just a way that I can see that what I'm doing. Make sure I get the due date. Probably one of the most important things that I need. Can bring that out. That's the due date. I have the subject. Paste it into the subject. Make sure it's pasted as a value, not a formula. And then I got my notes. I'm just going to copy these notes. Where are my notes? The notes field is here. Alpha field. Again, paste as values. Priority, everything is standard. I have not completed anything so far. I'm not going to worry about any of that. Make sure this is all done. Can I copy through? Here we go. Nothing is done. Reminder, no reminders. That's fine, thank you very much. And this is not human rights law. This is actually professional conduct. Delete these first few lines because I don't want to import something that's not relevant. Great, that's done. Save as. Save it as a CSV. Make sure it goes into the right folder, which is, for me, the professional conduct. Great, so PPC, export. But it is going to be imported into the program I need. Import CSV. So, as I can show you again, my professional conduct has nothing in it. I've created it. I do it in here just because I like to have this little formatting set up already. I can go into Outlook again, professional conduct, file, open, import, import from another program or file. Cool. Click to bring this back up. I import from a file, comma separated values, which is the CSV that we've created. I'm going to browse and I'm going to open up the professional conduct. It is my import that I have done. So before I had the date incorrectly added, so I've just updated that to the correct date by adding an extra 30 days and fix that up. So I can just import this file now. It's all correct. Okay. I do not want to import any duplicates. There should be no duplicates. Professional conduct. Next. Yes, so again, this error happens because of the fact that this needs to be closed. So close that file. Go back here. We try again. I already have it selected, so it should be fine. Professional conduct. Next. Great. So then, as you see, there's no next, there's no whatever. I click it, nothing's happening because I need to click this little box. Click the box, bring it up, make sure everything's there. The subject, of course that's a subject. That's exactly what we need. So next, make sure that the actual subject is in the subject. And apart from that, everything should be the same. Everything's fine. Finish. Import and export, it's all there. These are the things that are supposed to be done by now. We have all our hashtags, we have everything in there, the due date, the subject, everything we need. Then, again, it should basically show up here. It's not. So we can either close it and open it again, or we can try and sync. And it should basically start popping up straight away. Professional conduct. So it might take a little while for them to all come up, but they should basically be there. It may not be fully synced even from the Outlook just yet, so we can sync again. and they come through. That's it. Enjoy.